What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 392 Nap, and you see we back with another banger video, man. As always, want to drop y'all boys a little POV, man. I haven't done a nighttime POV in a long time, bro, so I had to bring one to y'all, bro. It's been a little minute for real, bro, but had to run this little banger back, bro. If y'all new to the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. We on our way to 2K subscribers. We like 400 off, bro. We almost there, so make sure, bro, if y'all enjoy the videos, make sure y'all show some love, man. And this real bumpy as hell, bro. I gotta get some little downshifts. Sheesh. Man, this road bumpy as hell. Let y'all boys here. Put that window down real quick. Gosh, bro. We gonna get a little bit of highway action too, bro. Y'all hear it? One of the best sounding cars, bro. That's all muscle right there, boy. When they hear these cars, they get out of the way. Now we hop on the expressway. We can go a little crazy now. Bro, the pops, bro. Bro, with no music, y'all can hear the quarter intake. Listen. Hold on, get out of gear real quick. Y'all be able to hear it. Well, y'all hear that quarter intake, bro? Bro, that quarter intake be singing, bro. It's hard for you to hear. You really gotta listen, but here, yeah. Bro, this car is so much fun, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, if y'all waiting to pull the trigger on the Scat and y'all just not doing it, I don't know what you waiting on, bro. As long as y'all got y'all finances right, y'all need to hop in this, bro. This is one of the most funnest cars you can own. You smiling driving the car until you get to the gas station. And then your ass gonna be sad. This bridge be so bumpy, bro. Damn, y'all hear it? That must sound lovely, bro. Y'all might ask the quarter intake I got. This the one that came with it come with Daytonas. So Daytona 392s, they come stock with the blue quarter intake. I looked at it on Dodge, it's like $450. It's big. It's a big quarter intake, bro. So if y'all want to get that little bit of like that whine from the quarter intake, I definitely suggest doing that. Cause it's crazy, bro. It transforms the car, bro. If like you sit here and just listen in silence, you'll think your ass have a Hellcat. Just not all the power to it. I don't know if that's 12 or not. I hate them damn unmarked police cars, bro. Florida known for them, bro. Some reason everybody like getting out. They ain't 12. They got a messed up damn door. 12 not riding like that. Hell no. She sounds so good, bro. Like I said, if you new, bro, and y'all want to know the exhaust, it's just a mid-muffler elite right now. I haven't straight piped my car yet. I am going to, but I haven't done it yet. So it's just a mid-muffler elite right now. See how dark it is? That's how you know we on back roads. There ain't no street lights, man. Back quarter intake. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, bro. But if it is, I'm telling you, this must sound like a Hellcat, bro. It's crazy. If you do not have a quarter intake on your Scat, you need to get one. What you doing, bro? You just hitting the brakes for no reason. Ain't no cars coming, nothing. I'm gonna pass him for sure too. Yep. I don't know what you braking for like that, bro. It's no traffic, no nothing. Yeah, man, I hope y'all been enjoying the videos we've been dropping. I know we've been dropping a lot, but hope y'all been enjoying them, man. I'm gonna get a little 40 roll for y'all. My gosh. Out of gear real quick. This road be hella bumpy right here too, bro. I gotta watch out. Yeah, there they go right there. Hell no. Shifts real quick. Bro, I gotta put these windows down, bro. You cannot see nothing out here. Those cars coming. We good though. We eat the Scat. Sideways on me. Wait till I get that cat though, boy. It's really gonna be winding. I'll make sure that mud's singing, but that's all I want to hear. I don't even want to hear no exhaust, bro. I just want to hear the whine. Yeah, man, like I said, I just want to drop this like late night POV, bro. I'm heading back from the gym, bro, so I just want to drop this for y'all. I got some more content coming soon. Like I said, I got weekly uploads, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, we 400 subscribers away from 2,000. That's the goal, man. So if y'all enjoyed the video, man, just make sure to show love. We'll be back with another banger.